first exam of the first semester and the first attempt exam. First of all, I want to say that good luck to all of you, grade 4, 5 and 6. Please let me tell you something which is going to help you with the exam. Don't get panicked, make sure you are relaxed. When you answer the questions, don't get panicked if you don't know one answer, it's okay. Move to the next question. If you have any questions, you have to remain silent. And also, please make sure if you need to go to outside, all you have to do, just raise up your hand and we will send a teacher with you outside. We will help you with all the needs that also, guys, please make sure you're choosing the right answers with confidence. Make sure when you select the answers, don't get panicked, and make sure uncertain about some questions between A, B, C, D, which one, and some of you may be selecting 3 of them and be raising it 4 times or 3 times. Please, all you have to do is just stay calm, relax, and all these questions are according to your ability. These questions are easy, are straightforward, and listen to the teacher when they are talking. For example, right now I will be explaining grade 6 questions, and all you have to do is just grade 6, please listen to the teacher. It means grade 4 and 5 will carry on with the answers and writing down the answers. But the grade 6 students will listen to me what I have to say. Okay? All right. Good luck to all of you. If you need to drink water, you may ask the teacher as well. If you need outside, please raise up your hand and we will assist you to go outside. Okay? All right. Good luck to all of you.